Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best mini PC on AliExpress in 2026? Whether you need a compact computer for work, gaming, content creation, home entertainment, or everyday productivity, we've selected 5 amazing mini PCs that offer powerful performance without taking up much desk space. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best mini PCs on AliExpress in 2026, covering their features, performance, and what makes each one stand out. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now let's get started. Number 1. GMKtec G3S Mini PC. The GMKtec G3S Mini PC is powered by the Intel Alder Lake N95 processor and comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM, up to 256GB PCIe M.2 SSD storage, Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.0. This compact desktop is designed for everyday productivity, web browsing, online learning, and office applications. Its small footprint makes it easy to place anywhere, while Windows 11 Pro provides a modern and user-friendly computing experience. Pros: Intel Alder Lake N95 processor, Windows 11 Pro included, fast PCIe M.2 SSD storage, compact and space-saving design, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, great for everyday computing. The GMKtec G3S is an excellent entry-level mini PC for home and office users. Number 2. Core i9-10980HK Portable Mini PC. This powerful mini PC features an Intel Core i9-10980HK processor, Windows 11, 16 or 32GB DDR4 RAM, up to 2TB SSD storage, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Built for users who demand strong performance, this mini PC handles multitasking, office work, media editing, and demanding applications with ease. The powerful processor ensures smooth performance even during intensive workloads. Pros: powerful Intel Core i9-10980HK processor, up to 32GB DDR4 RAM, up to 2TB SSD storage, fast Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, compact portable design, excellent multitasking performance. If you need serious computing power in a small form factor, this mini PC is a fantastic choice. Number 3. GMKtec M8 Mini PC. The GMKtec M8 Mini PC comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 6650H processor, 16GB RAM, support for triple 4K displays, USB-C connectivity, DisplayPort output, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth support. This mini PC is designed for professionals and productivity-focused users. The Ryzen processor delivers strong performance for office work, content creation, and multitasking, while support for 3 4K displays makes it ideal for advanced workstation setups. Pros: AMD Ryzen 5 Pro 6650H processor, 16GB RAM, triple 4K display support, USB-C and DisplayPort connectivity, excellent multitasking capabilities, compact professional workstation. The GMKtec M8 offers an outstanding balance of performance and productivity features. Number 4. Firebat A6 Mini PC. The Firebat A6 Mini PC features an AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, 512GB SSD storage, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and 4K display support. With its modern Ryzen processor and fast LPDDR5 memory, this mini PC delivers exceptional speed for demanding applications, multitasking, content creation, and entertainment. Pros: powerful AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, fast 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, 512GB SSD storage, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, 4K display support, excellent overall performance. The Firebat A6 is a great choice for users who want high-end performance in a compact desktop. Number 5. GMKtec Mac M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. The GMKtec Mac M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC is powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor and features Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, support for triple 4K displays, and powerful integrated graphics capabilities. Designed for gaming, productivity, and content creation, this mini PC offers impressive performance while maintaining a compact footprint. Its advanced hardware makes it capable of handling demanding workloads and modern applications. Pros: AMD Ryzen 5 7640HS processor, triple 4K display support, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, Bluetooth 5.2 support, strong integrated graphics performance, excellent gaming and productivity capabilities. The GMKtec Mac M6 is one of the most versatile mini PCs available on AliExpress in 2026. Best overall mini PC, Firebat A6 Mini PC. Best gaming mini PC, GMKtec Mac M6 Ultra Gaming Mini PC. Best productivity mini PC, GMKtec Mac M8 Mini PC. Best performance mini PC, Core i9-10980HK Portable Mini PC. Best budget mini PC, GMKtec G3S Mini PC. And that's our list of the top 5 best mini PCs on AliExpress in 2026. Whether you're looking for a compact office computer, a powerful workstation, a gaming-ready mini PC, or an affordable everyday desktop, there's a mini PC on this list that's perfect for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. Also, let us know in the comments which mini PC from today's list is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more amazing tech finds. Until then, stay safe, stay productive, and keep exploring the best technology at the best prices. Bye for now.